Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally, and it is a flippin' furniture Saturday. And today's collab is hosted by Dawn at Shabby Meets Bling and Crafty Creech, and their channels, as well as a playlist, will be in my description box of all the other furniture flips in this collaboration. And I have had this trunk in my possession. It is a beautiful vintage trunk, and it is probably 8 months now that it has just been sitting in my living room waiting, and I got it free at my dump. So you know that is how I roll. So I have been looking at the orange tones of this and the yuck all over, the scratches and what have you. I cleaned it, but I did nothing else to it. And it is definitely worse for wear. Interior perfect. It is just gorgeous inside, and it works great as a coffee table and toy box for when my granddaughter comes over. But it definitely needs some loving. And my inspiration, because I love this stripped down natural tone of furniture, are these pieces here. These are just absolutely my vibe. And so down to the garage goes this piece for a whole lot of sanding. It is definitely going to take a little bit of time to get all of the varnish and whatever else is on this piece off, and already I know that I am going to love it. So I did go ahead and start with the top so I could make sure that some of those really bad areas were going to be able to be dealt with, that the black mark was not going further down beyond the top, which I am very, very grateful that it didn't, because sometimes, depending upon how much moisture gets on a piece, it can definitely do a black rotting on the wood, and if that happens, you oftentimes have to bleach that out, and that's just a whole lot more work than just sanding. So couple of hours of just going back and forth on the top and the sides and getting this down to that beautiful natural wood tone. And so I know a lot of people would go from there and, either paint or stain it, or, I mean, it could be beautiful with so many different things. I have a trunk in my video stash that you will see I had painted and I had done inlay on. I have one that I had done IOD transfers in all kinds of, it's more of a steamer trunk in peach tones. And another dome top one that one day I will probably put on top of this one once I no longer use this as a toy box. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and finish doing all of the sanding. And then there's a little bit of trim work on the edging all around the top edge and the bottom edge. And then there's also that dark iron handle on either side. I would love to replace those handles with something else, but they're very well inset and not easy to remove. And I'm not sure, since they are inset into the wood, what I would replace them with anyway. So I think for now I'm going to leave them, but it would be possible to do a gold rub and buff, or to tone down the iron and change the color tone of that. So that is something I am going to consider in the future. So the top is looking awesome, and I am delighted at how well this orange tone came off. And then I flipped it and began to do the other three sides. It has such a beautiful grain, and I was able to do the edging with just a little bit more hand sanding. I tried it with, some of the sander. Obviously, I had to go ahead and just go and get into that area with the sandpaper on my finger and just sort of take my time to get that 100%. And then once I have that, I am going to consider a finish sometime in future, but for now I am going to fill a little bit of a chip that was on the top and just put a little wood filler into that section, just so that no dirt and other things can get into that. And then once that is dry, I will go ahead and sand that down as well, and I can color match that with a marker, a furniture marker. And so here it is right now, very simple, very beautiful, and absolutely more my style. So glad to have the orange taken down on this piece. This is such a simple flip. I realize I didn't do anything spectacular, but I think the before and after, really for me anyway, is stunning. So I would love to know if you like this stripped down furniture look, or if you definitely would have put more of a gloss finish or a wax on it. And then I also stuck some of my natural candlesticks in my fireplace, since we won't be using the fireplace for several months, and using a little bit more of that natural tone here in the living room. So that is my quick and easy vintage flip of my trunk. Let me know what you think. Please hit like or share or hype or all the things to help my channel grow. Don't forget to check out the playlist and don't miss tomorrow's video. You are not going to believe what I got free. So I will see you tomorrow. Take care.